friends, today I am going to show you two Indian breakfasts which is high in protein. First we'll start with Ada Dosa or mixed dal dosha. For that I have soaked 1 cup boiled rice, half cup urad dal, quarter cup of chana dal, tur dal and akha moong and a quarter teaspoon of methi. I have soaked everything for about 3-4 hours. Now I have washed the dals and drained the water. Now I shall put it in the blender.
Now I've taken a bowl. In that I'm adding the blended mixture. You can see this is the consistency. I will add 1 teaspoon salt, a pinch of hing, 1 inch ginger finely chopped, 1 onion finely chopped, a small bunch of curry patta, 2 green chilies finely chopped, a small bunch of dhania, half a cup of grated coconut. We'll mix everything together. Now we'll keep this aside. Now I've taken a dosa pan. I'll put little oil in it, which I'll nicely spread it across. We can take half an onion and do that. I usually do that. Or you can take a tissue paper and do the whole thing. Now the tawa is hot. Just take 1 big spoon of the batter and spread it. We cook this on medium heat so that the dal gets cooked. Put a little bit oil in the side. Cook the other side as well. Now the dosa is ready and we shall plate it. This can be had hot with coconut chutney.
For the moong dal, I have used 1 cup akha moong, 1/4 cup boiled rice and 1/4 teaspoon methi, which I have soaked for 3-4 hours. Now we have taken the grinder. I am putting the dal. Now for the moong dal dosha, we will be adding more things before we blend it. A small bunch of curry patta, 2 green chilies, 1 inch ginger, half teaspoon jeera and 1 teaspoon salt. And I have also added 1/4 teaspoon hing. We shall blend this fine. Now I take another bowl and I put the paste from the blender.
Now we keep this aside. I've taken the dosa tawa again, adding a little oil.
And with a cut onion, I'll just spread out the oil. You can also use a tissue paper. Once the tawa is hot, I'll take again 1 big spoon of the batter. You can take another. Put oil in the sides. Again for this dosha you can use ghee, sesame oil or til oil. Okay, now I'm flipping the other side. Cook the other side as well. I have taken 1.5 spoon of the batter because I like my doshas thick. You can take 1 scoop only and make the doshas thin. The dosha is ready to be plated. This can again be had with chutney and sambar.
Hope you enjoy both the dosas.